my channel. I'm Dr. Terri Alani, the Texas Tooth Lady. Thank you for subscribing. As you know, we do a lot of snap-on smile cases. Today is an amazing cosmetic case, and we're going to go ahead and show it to you right now. We've got Maria here, and let's zoom in and look at her teeth. So Maria, what is it about your smile that brought you to see us? You can talk.
My tooth, cap here, bridge here, gaps here.
Well, let's take a
Uniform
look.
smile I would like.
All right, so turn to the left. So let's zoom on in, close down, hon. So she's missing some teeth there. So it can act as a partial as well. Turn toward me. We probably need to get a little bit more length of your front teeth, have them a little wider. And then she's got a bridge here, but the problem is basically nothing matches, right?
Correct.
And also, instead of a partial, you wanted an appliance that served as a cosmetic and to replace your missing teeth.
Correct.
So, are you excited?
I am so excited.
And you haven't seen them.
Haven't seen them in
Are
yet.
you nervous?
No, I'm excited.
You're
I'm so excited.
Okay, so we've adjusted the bite. We tried them in, but the patient has not seen them.
Yep.
So, let me show you what the models look like. We take digital impressions. Here's an impression of her upper teeth. It is a perfect impression. And we also have to take an impression of her lower teeth so we can adjust the bite and have a balanced bite. This is the Snap-on Smile. It's made out of a specialized acetyl resin, and it is fabricated to fit perfectly over her existing teeth. It replaces the space here, and it also replaces all the missing teeth here. It fits perfectly. So we're going to go ahead and try it in, and she'll see it for the first time. Things are very retentive. I want you to go ahead and open, and I'm just going to show the YouTube audience the difference. So here are her existing teeth, and this is a Snap-on Smile. This thing fits like a glove, and the main reason it fits like a glove is because we take digital impressions. So I'm going to snap it in here and snap it in there. I want you to bite down. Does it feel pretty good there?
Oh, great.
Smile. And I want you to talk. I want you to say 66.
66.
I don't hear a lisp. Say fire truck.
Fire truck.
Church.
Church.
Bite down and smile. So we've adjusted her bite already. She hasn't seen it. It's gorgeous. So are you ready?
I'm so ready.
All right. So this is the big reveal. And patients usually get pretty nervous on this one because they really haven't seen it, but this is really a life-changing experience. So how you feeling?
Excited, nervous.
They're gorgeous. Take a look in the camera so these people can see how gorgeous your smile is now. It's amazing, but you haven't seen it, so you don't even know if you look pretty or not.
No, I'm sure. I'm so excited it will.
Okay. All right. So here's the mirror, and go ahead and turn the mirror over.
Wow. Wow, they are nice. Yeah, that looks beautiful.
You like the color?
Wow, I do. It's not too bright, and it's not too dingy. It's perfect.
They look natural.
They look beautiful.
I know. They look like removable veneers.
They look beautiful. Yeah, they look nice.
Yeah.
Very nice.
And
oh
you can actually eat with these.
That is beautiful.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
I know.
Oh my God, look how pretty they are.
I know. What's the first thing you're going to go do?
I'm going to eat, actually. I'm starving.
You can eat. You can eat. We'll
Yeah,
show you how to
beautiful.
clean them. A lot
Take
of people
pictures.
ask.
I'm taking a selfie.
You are. You're gonna take a selfie. So let's get a selfie. We'll get one. Yeah. You got your camera?
That's cute. I do.
Let's get a selfie. Let's get one with me and you.
There we go.
All right, shall we?
Yes, absolutely. Look
These
how
are the
awesome
best.
they look.
It's
Camera
selfie
slides
time.
back.
All right.
1, 2, 3. There you
Look
go.
at your smile, woman. What a
Wow.
difference. I know.
Wow.
It's crazy, isn't
no
it?
more. Doesn't look like I have a cavity anymore.
No. And it also replaces. I mean, this is like it's worth. Yeah.
Yeah, that's beautiful. Thank you so much. So
You're
awesome.
welcome.
Thank you.
It's affordable.
Yes.
That's the catch, because with not, you were going to be spending thousands of dollars.
Yeah.
And
several
yeah,
thousands.
yeah. All right, cool.
Thank
So
you so much.
another successful Snap-on Smile case. Remember, unlike the internet appliances, these you can eat with, and they. Okay, so I want you to take it out because people don't realize how difficult these are to take out. We do make them where you can take it out, but go ahead and take it out because these fit like a glove. Not easy.
Here we go.
Sweet. Smile now. Look at the difference. All right, I'm Dr. Line, Texas Tooth Lady. Thank you for subscribing.